Hello friend, welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. I hope that you are doing very well this morning or whatever time it is when you're watching this video. Yeah, welcome. And if you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here, and welcome again. In today's video, I am going to use this canvas that I've painted on before, and I want to paint over it. I want to paint a seascape. So I am going to put water on it, not water, but like water painting of water, and then I'll just put like some rocks, maybe some vegetation on the side. It's gonna be very minimalistic painting. So the colors I'm gonna use, I got these paints from our local Target, and you know, they are acrylic paints. They do say that they are not toxic. They are very vibrant. So I am going to use about 6 colors on this painting. This is Inky Night, but I would compare it with Prussian blue, and this is a gray. They call it comfy, but it's gray. This one, they're calling it Infinite Ocean. I would call it turquoise blue. And this one, they are calling this is Wobbly Waters. And this, I would call it brown, obviously. And this one, well, these are the ones that I've already had. This is Van Dyke brown and black, and I'm gonna use just my my regular titanium white. My brushes, this is 1-inch brush, and then I have a 1.5-inch brush here, and you know, fan brush. I try to use not very many brushes, so whatever I can find here to use, I will utilize. So yeah, those are my brushes. So let's go ahead and This is another small rock in the middle of a ocean. So that's another small rock. Yeah, so here I'm just continuing with my rocks. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish making the rocks. And now what I have here is a white paint that I am going to put on the right side, because I want my highlights to be on the right side, because that's where the sun is hitting these rocks, and you want to put your highlights where the sun is directly hit, coming into your object. So in this case the sun is on the right side. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue making the highlights and fixing up the rock to make it look a little bit more realistic, same as the smaller rock. That is what I'm doing right now. And then I'm just right now I'm putting some ripples, like water ripples, like sometimes when the wind or the waves hit the water, it will make ripples. So that's, I'm just trying to mimic ripples. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Just trying to make my rocks look more realistic. And yeah, and again, as I had mentioned, this is gonna be a very minimal painting. I am not going to put too many things on these rocks. And I had mentioned that I was gonna, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I was thinking of putting some vegetation on the rocks, like algae, but I am not going to do that. I'm just gonna leave the rocks bare like that. And yeah, I think I'm actually done here. There's not very much else to do. Let's go ahead and I'll show you the final result in a minute. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I've signed the painting, and voila, here is a nice little painting. But you tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Please leave a comment and let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I told you guys, I wanna do what you guys enjoy watching. I wanna paint different things. As long as I make videos that you guys enjoy watching and you learn from them, and you actually paint your own paintings by learning from my painting process and tutorials, that is what's more important to me. So please let me know. Thank you so very much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, comment. Again, please comment and let me know how you like these paintings. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye.